Before I even started cleaning, as I was reading the challenge, I felt a wave of guilt. I've been trying to downsize and declutter for years upon years. Every single room cleaning spree I go on results in 2 to 5 bags of trash. Even today, I generated about 3 bags of trash. But the important thing for me was setting a timer for 25 minutes, designating the location, my black shelf and under my bed, and really going to town. Everything I pulled was items I hadn't touched for a year at least. The exception is that massive bag of yarn I was given. I really don't knit, so I have no idea why I was given it. It felt good to get some stuff off my shelves, and as I contemplated, I also realized that when you guys asked if, to decide if an item sparks joy, that you're referring to the KonMari method. Now, I've read that book to cover to cover. It helped me change the way I think about belongings. And while I have cut down on my buying habits, I'm still throwing away stuff I bought years ago. So, as I sort these bags into trash, donate, and sell piles, I think I'll keep doing what I've been doing for the past year, binge cleaning once a month. Because while it may not seem like much, I've put a considerable dent into the messy room I call home.